We are taking the ferry from La Paz in Baja Sur to Mazatlán on the mainland. But there is a hurricane coming right over the route of the ferry, so we are warned for a bumpy ride. We are assuming it should be safe since the ferry is going anyway.
So, I don't know where Luke is. He has the car. He had to do a different kind of route than I did as a passenger.
Only the driver is allowed to be in the car when getting it on the ferry, and I am the one who is taking the car through several check-in processes, for one of which you need to pay 40 pesos. So, while Chanya is choosing a TV to sit in front of, I am looking for some change in the car.
That was scary. So, I hadn't seen Luke because Luke had to get the car inside of the ferry, and I've been waiting for quite some time, and then they told me, yeah, you have to go down. The medical is waiting for you. And I was like, what? What's happening? What's happening? Then I went down, and he had to pay for some extra things or whatever, some ingreso, which is like taxes. And well, I had all the money with me. That wasn't our smartest move, but whatever. It's fixed.
So far, no rough seas. The preparations for this expedition are real. No flying chairs in this video. This hurricane is weaker than the taste of overcooked green beans. We have just heard that we have to wait until next morning before we can enter the harbor. This is because the captain can't get a hold of the harbor control room. We are too stubborn to pay for a room with a bed, so here we are, hobos on a boat.
There was this year hurricane here, and there's still a lot of water, but other than that, it already looks pretty neat again.